In this video I am going to explain you what is snapshot, how we can create a snapshot, and how we can automate the backup of EBS volume so that snapshot getting already created time to time. So let's come back onto the screen. So as you can see here, what is snapshot? A snapshot is a point in time backup of an EBS volume stored in S3. You do not see the S3 bucket. AWS manages it internally. Snapshot stored files, file system, partitions, disk blocks. Snapshot does not store running processes, RAM, EC2 configuration. Snapshots are incremental. Incremental snapshot means only the changes data are saved after the first snapshot. You pay for storage used by snapshot month by month. You have to ensure the file system app consistency before taking a snapshot, and how you can ensure the file consistency. Let's say if you are creating a snapshot, then you need to make sure that your applications, you have to stop that application, or you have to freeze your file system. If you not do that, your snapshot data might be inconsistent. So if you want a consistent snapshot data, you have to stop your applications or freeze your file system to make sure that you have consistent snapshot data. Not delete a snapshot blindly because they are incremental. What is incremental? So incremental is basically that, let's say if you created a EBS volume of 15 GB and you have taken a snapshot of 15 GB, and after some time you have again saved a data of 5 GB, and if you want to, and you have created a second snapshot of that EBS volume, so the remaining 5 GB which you newly added, so that 5 GB data is stored in that snapshot second, not the whole 20 GB data got stored. So that's the concept. So always take care of the snapshot before risky operations, resize, repair, migration, and wait until the snapshot status got completed, because it takes some time. Snapshot takes some time of copying your EBS volume into the snapshot. So how is snapshot being used? Backup EBS volume data. Snapshot contains only the data at the time it was taken. And it's important that snapshot contains only the data at that particular time when you created it. Not you can created a snapshot right now and you saved brand new data, and you think that your previous snapshot has already back up your brand new data. You have to create a second snapshot for that. And since it's incremental, your brand new data is only stored on your second snapshot, not the whole data, which save your cost also. So restore data by creating a new EBS volume from the snapshot. You can also clone environments by creating a multiple volumes for one snapshot for creating a testing environment, duplicating production setup quickly. It means that you can also create a one snapshot, and from one snapshot you can create a multiple EBS volume, and you can attach that EBS volume to multiple instances, so that you can create a clone app or clone website or clone systems for testing or many things that you want to take care of. And you can also disaster recovery by copying snapshot to another region, which is also very important, and migration by moving data between region or accounts. So that's it. So I'm going to show you how you can create a snapshot. So for creating a snapshot, you have to go into the sections of Elastic Block Store, and you have to go into the snapshot. You have to click on create snapshot. you can create a snapshot of volume or instance. So I'm going to create a snapshot of volume, and you can see here my selection is my EBS volume of my previous instance. So I'm going to put description anything AWS. I'm going to create a snapshot. So now the snapshot has been created. New snapshot. So here this is how a snapshot got created, and if you want to backup it automatically, so if you want to your snapshot got already been created automatically time to time, and for that purpose you have to go into the sections of Lifecycle Manager, and here you can click on the next step, and you can also create your you can automate your snapshot of volume or instance. So I'm going to create volume. You can also enter key. Let's say I enter YouTube. Right now I don't have any targeted tags here, so I'm right to name of the tag, and I have also, let's say, YouTube yes I have, and I have, let's say, YouTube yes. So I have the next name. It's enough because that take a snapshot which the name has been the tags. So you can also schedule, you can also put the schedule, you can set up the frequency like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Like here you can select the hours which you want to take care. Here you can select the time, and you can also select the retention type, the count. It means how many snapshots you want to create for the particular chunk of time. So I am going to write 60. Let's say I have created I want to create that, let's say I want to create snapshots of my whole 1 month of that particular count. Let's say 60. I want 60 snapshots. Let's say I have selected the total 2 snapshot of 1 day. So let's say 30 into 2, 60. So total 60 number of my snapshot created in 1 month. So 60 I have selected, and review policy, and after that I create policy. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video.